first method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and then click chkdsk space c column space /f space /r, and then hit enter. After that press yes, yes for y for yes, press y and then hit enter. Okay, and then close this, because of this command will run when you restart your system. So close it, then click to start. Next step, type asus laptop driver update and then hit it. Then click, this is official website, so click. If you are using different like Dell, HP, Lenovo, if you are using different, so you can enter this. Now you can enter the model number. Okay, this is via product, and you can detect the manually automatically detect the computer. Agree this and click to start. After that it will scan and it will detect the system which is you using. Okay, now because of this system will require this product, this ASUS support agent. When it is complete, and then right click to run, right click to open, then install. If it is already installed, so no need to install again and again. Then again click to automatic, agree then, and click to OK. Now your system will detect. Now you can see this is your service track, and then click to driver tool. After that click on driver and tool, scroll down, select the operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11, so select this. Now need to install the chipset driver. This is chipset latest driver. Okay, you can install older one if you want required. Okay, so this is chipset older one, 2022. Okay, so try to install always latest. This is latest driver, and then click to download. Now it is started. When it is completed, then just single click to open, then click to OK, then next, I accept, then next, installed, and yes, yeah, select no. One more command need to use, and after that restart, close this, then again click to start and type the cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, then type sfc space /scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start the scanning of your system dial file. When sometime what happen, if your system dial Windows file will corrupt it, so it will, this command will restore your system dials and corrupted file. So it will take some time, depend about your system configuration, so might be it will 5 to 6 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and after that restart your system. Okay, and then please check and please comment me this issue has been resolved or not. Thank you.